after 3 months of consecutive year-over-year declines, but is still off 40%. It's Friday, September 15th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Despite higher interest rates and prices on the rise, buyers are still buying homes and in just 11 days or less. Caroline County prices are up 9%. Cecil County prices are up 20%. Dorchester County rose 16.1%. Kent County enjoyed a 6.9% pricing increase. Queen Anne's County went up 18.3%. Talbot County prices are up 39.4% over last August. Somerset County increased 14.4%. Wicomico County fell 5.2% this August over last. Worcester County rose 14%. It is expected that prices will remain stable as inventory continues at all-time lows. Available rentals rose to 98 for the entire shore, priced at a median $1,985 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 15th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and have a super weekend. See you next week.